In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Lego account to Fortnite Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Lego account in conjunction with your Fortnite Nintendo Switch account. To do this, you will have to visit the official website, so this process must be done at Fortnite.com. You cannot connect your Lego account inside of the game. So once you arrive at Fortnite.com, sign into your Epic Games account that you used to play the game on your Switch. So choose the option to log in at the top right, input your credentials, and once you are signed into the account, click on your name and go to Connect Accounts. In here, you will be able to see all of the platforms that have been connected to this specific Epic Games account, including, of course, the Lego account. So your Nintendo account should already be connected, assuming that you play on a Nintendo Switch, and all that you have to do is click on the option to connect a Lego account. Now, you will have to confirm your email. This is because you can only connect one account at once, so it's important that it is the correct one that you want to use. If you try to connect the same Lego account to different Epic Games accounts, you will not be allowed to do so. So if this account looks correct, choose the option to proceed and connect the account, and now you will be able to input your country of residence and then your date of birth. After you do those two, you will now be able to input your email or username and then the password to sign into your account. If you still need to create an account, then you can just input a new email. It is going to be detected and you will go through the sign up process. So just finish everything here, authorize the connection, and the Lego account is going to appear under the connected accounts on the Epic Games website when you go to the account management page. And like I said, you can only have one account connected at once, so make sure that you input the correct details that you want to use. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Lego account to Fortnite Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.